Are you looking for best rolling backpacks for adults? Rolling backpacks for adults have become increasingly popular due to their versatility, ergonomic design, and ability to accommodate a variety of use cases, from travel to business commutes. These products combine the portability of a backpack with the convenience of wheeled luggage, making them ideal for individuals who need to carry heavy loads without straining their shoulders. For this comparison, we evaluated 5 rolling backpacks. Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack. The Rockland Double Handle Rolling Backpack is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at $34.99. It features a compact design with dimensions of 12 inches by 8 inches by 20 and lightweight construction at just 3.4 pounds. Key features include double wheels for smooth rolling, a front pocket organizer, side mesh pockets for bottles, and padded shoulder straps for backpack functionality. With a capacity of 20 liters, it's suitable for light daily use or short trips. Despite its budget price, the Rockland backpack offers decent build quality, making it a popular choice among casual users. Customer reviews highlight its value for money proposition and practicality. In terms of performance, the Rockland Rolling Backpack excels as a basic, entry-level option. The double wheels provide adequate stability on smooth surfaces, though they may struggle on uneven terrain. The padded shoulder straps enhance comfort when used as a backpack, but the overall durability may not hold up to frequent heavy-duty use. Its 20-liter capacity is sufficient for carrying essentials, but may be limiting for extended trips. ProductMe High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack. The High Sierra Freewheel Wheeled Laptop Backpack is the premium option in this comparison, priced at $88.96. It boasts a large, multi-compartment design with a fully padded cushion zone sleeve that fits laptops up to 15 inches. Additional features include corner-mounted wheels, a hideaway telescoping handle, and Vapor mesh padded shoulder straps that can be stored behind a zippered back panel. Its 34.5-liter capacity makes it suitable for business professionals and frequent travelers. The durable corner guards and kick plate provide protection against abrasion, while the reflective strip enhances safety during nighttime use. This backpack stands out for its robust construction and thoughtful design. The corner-mounted wheels offer smooth maneuverability, even on uneven surfaces, while the telescoping handle adjusts easily for users of different heights. The laptop compartment provides excellent protection, making it a great choice for tech-savvy professionals. However, the relatively high weight, 4.65 pounds, and price may deter some users. Overall, the High Sierra Freewheel is best suited for individuals who prioritize durability, ample storage, and laptop protection in their rolling backpack. ProductMe Everest Deluxe Wheeled Backpack. The Everest Deluxe Wheeled Backpack offers a mid-range option at $45.81. It features a compact design with dimensions of 13.5 inches by 7 inches by 18.5 inches and a capacity of 27.9 liters. Key features include smooth rolling wheels, padded shoulder straps, and multiple compartments for organized storage. The backpack is lightweight at 4.1 pounds, making it suitable for daily use or short trips. Customer reviews highlight its reliability and practicality, particularly for students and commuters. Performance-wise, the Everest Deluxe Wheeled Backpack strikes a balance between affordability and functionality. The wheels roll smoothly on most surfaces, and the padded shoulder straps provide comfort for backpack use. However, its 27.9-liter capacity may be insufficient for users who need to carry larger loads. The build quality is solid for its price point, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models. This backpack is ideal for users seeking a reliable, moderately priced option for everyday use. ProductMe Rolling Backpack Carry-On Luggage for Adults with Wheels. The Arco-Yard Rolling Backpack is a versatile option, priced at $66.49. It features a spacious 40-liter capacity reinforced rubber wheels with a steel axle, and a sturdy aluminum telescopic handle. Unique features include a waterproof cosmetic pocket, external USB charging port, and lockable metal zippers for added security. The backpack is made of 900D high-density polyester fiber, offering excellent tear resistance and durability. Its convertible design allows it to switch seamlessly between backpack and suitcase modes, making it suitable for travel, college, and business use. The ArcoYard backpack excels in its multi-purpose functionality and durable construction. The reinforced wheels and telescopic handle ensure reliable performance on various terrains, while the spacious compartments accommodate clothing and personal items for longer trips. The USB charging port is a convenient feature for tech-savvy users. ProductMe Rolling Backpack. The Ponhog Rolling Backpack is priced at $66.99 and offers a 30-liter capacity with a padded sleeve for laptops up to 15.6 inches. Key features include inset wheels for reduced footprint, a hideaway telescoping handle, and a USB charging port. The backpack is made of durable 1680D polyester fabric and includes corner guards and stand feet for added protection. It is lightweight at 2.2 kilograms and meets most airline carry-on requirements, making it suitable for travel and business use. The Ponhog backpack provides a good balance of functionality and portability. The inset wheels offer stability on uneven surfaces, while the padded laptop compartment ensures device safety. The USB charging port is a useful feature for users on the go. However, its 30-liter capacity may be limiting for extended trips. And the design lacks the premium feel of higher-end models. This backpack is best suited for business travelers and commuters who need a compact, functional rolling backpack.